The motorhome I have in front of me is a Silver Dream S641 FB, 640 centimeters long, 230 wide, 3 meters high, empty weight of 2,740 kilograms, and it costs 155,271 euros. As you can see, it's going to be a side bed vehicle, and I'm going to start off by showing you the garage. The garage is significantly smaller than in other Silver Dream motorhomes, but the reason for this is because of the layout inside. So at the left we will have a side bed, and over the cab there's a double bed as well. So we have this side bed. Under here we've got storage as well. You'd have to lift the entire bed up, and of course there's lockers all the way round. As you always get the side bed, there's a washroom at the side, so it's a side washroom as well, and you can see that there's plenty of room in here, as well as having a ventilation from above. Wardrobe here, and inside the wardrobe there's plenty of space, and as you might expect, there are drawers below. Here we have a kitchen, a very large sink, 3 burners, and drawers beneath, and indeed there's storage all the way around the vehicle. Behind I have this tower fridge from Thetford, which has also freezer at the top and one of these things for bottles at the bottom. Storage above that as well. And there we can see what's happening with the water, electricity, and here is another bed above the driving compartment, which as you can see is quite large. Chairs will turn round, captain's chairs, and you can sit around this very large table. Very nicely finished in my opinion. Of course that's my taste, it mightn't appeal to everybody in leather. So that's a very quick walk around this rather attractive monocoque vehicle. As you can see, we've got an awning above, and there's a recess in the body for the awning. The door also has a window in it. This vehicle is available also in rear wheel drive as well as front wheel drive, or all wheel drive if that's the sort of thing you're looking for. So I hope you found that of interest. You are looking at quite a lot of money to buy this vehicle, but I'm sure you'd agree that it is quite magnificent. That was under 3 minutes. Thanks for listening.